Alright, this is our last trip. Head down to the marina. November, what is it? November 15th. Got a 16 mile an hour southwest wind and I don't know, mile and a half, 2 mile an hour current. And we're going to be fighting both of them to get into onto the trailer. So once I get situated, I'll show you what we got to do it. Of course, it's going to be windy because it always is, but. Close to our destination here, and I'll just keep you running. Well, pretty good out there right now. I guessing that 25, I think. And unfortunately, we got a southwest wind blowing downriver, and the current of the river is, I don't know, probably 1.5 to 2 mile an hour right in front of the dock over here. And I gotta pull it perpendicular. So what I have to do is I have to keep the stern facing upstream. That's the way he likes me to do it. Keep the stern facing upstream. And as I come down to the opening of the marina, to the opening of the slip, I have to start bringing the bow in. And his trailer will be down in the water, and there'll be the starboard bump and the port bump. And I gotta get my bow in between the two. But once I get the bow in between the two, I have to add some reverse power thrust on the port side motor to keep the ass end upstream. And he's going to be on the dock, and he's going to help me stay off the dock. Because there's really no way to stay off the dock with the wind blowing and the current pushing you right at it. So I'm just going to try my hardest to keep upstream, and he's going to help me. And then once I get on the trailer, I got to power up onto the trailer a little bit. It should be exciting, so we'll see what happens. Starting to back down. Once he gets there, he's got to set the trailer up, so it'll be a couple minutes. So I'm going to get up here, upstream from him. I'm going to aim straight down, and then I'm going to start backing the boat down and stop myself in the current, in the waves, or in the wind, and then at the last minute we'll just start bringing the bow in. my waves. I forgot about my wake. Is it gonna fall? I gotcha. I gotcha. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I gotta do this too. Okay, I got you. We're in reverse. Okay. My waves are gone. My wake rather is gone. It's dark out. It's gonna be hard to see, but he's just gonna direct my bow. I gotta get real close to the dock, real close, and then I gotta dip the bow in. So right now I'm getting parallel with everything. Parallel. This. I want to get a little bit closer, I think. Just going to back up a little bit closer. Okay. Now, my bow is real close to his trailer. Now I'm going to get my bow right to him. And then I'm going to start curling it. Now I'm around his bunk. And now I'm turning the bow in. He's going to catch me. I'm in neutral. Might have to hit reverse here, I don't know. Yep. There we go. Alright, so. Perfect. Right in there. Right in there like a glove. Now what he's going to do is he's going to tell me to power up. Because I'm on the bunks right now, but I'm not far enough forward, so he's going to just walk me through it.
All right, give me a little run.
And he's just going to push me up on the trailer. Maybe a little bit more. Throttle.
Good.
Right there?
Hang on.
Okay. So he's just checking. I don't know if you can. Hi, Jim.
Hey.
He's just checking to see if I'm on the trailer all the way. The bunks and stuff.
Give me about a foot.
A foot?
Yeah.
Okay. Put you down a second here.
Oh, cool. What were you filming it?
Yeah.
Oh, pop. Good.
Okay.
That'll work.
Okay, I'm shutting it down.
Yep.
All right, I got a couple
What
of.
kind of camera's that?
It's a Sony.
Oh, wow.
I got a couple things to do here. I got to drop my antenna,
You know,
and then Jim's gonna put me up. So I'll turn you back on when we're getting out of the water. Okay, so yeah, this is all hydraulic trailer, and he can do a lot of stuff with it. Raise and lower the bow, or raise and lower the tongue. And then there's bunks that go under the front that he can raise up, keep the boat from coming forward. And then there's two bunks in the back, two arms in the back with pads on them that he picks up and touches the boat with. So he probably need me to hold the boat away from the dock as he pulls forward.
you did it real good this year, so you don't have to hold anything.
Oh no, it's good?
Yep.
Not focusing, so I'll turn you back on. Oh, there we go. So yeah, so he's just gonna come up the dock, and we'll just watch this ridge here, because you always kind of get close to it, but it should be okay. And there it is, sad day. It's coming out. But it is November 15th, so I'm looking to get back in the water in March, I don't know, last week of March. Yep, there she goes. The wind died right down as I pulled in, so it
made it look easy. And then we just got to watch this part here. He's good. Got some bike traffic. Nice wheels. Look at those things. Those are awesome. That's great.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, get on there. Perfect, huh? Wind died down too, just as I pulled in.
Oh, you did. You would have done just as good with it when it was windy.
I was narrating too, so that's always. So yeah, we just watched this tank here because it gets close, but 4-wheel drive. But out she goes. So I'm not going to film this whole process, but once he gets up on the parking lot here, he's got to level the boat. Oh yeah, plenty. Yeah, we just watched the prop and the rudders, but we got, I don't know, 2 feet. Okay, so yeah, what he's going to do now is he's got to get the boat kind of level on the trailer by raising and lower these bunks in the back. And then those front bunks aren't even up yet. Those just kind of hold onto the bow of the boat to keep it from sliding forward. We'll put some wide load tape on the back and strap it down, and then I'll get back to you when we back it in the driveway. This is gonna be impossible to see because there's no lights out here, but he's gonna bring it into the best he can into my driveway here. And I have stuff set up for him. Once he gets around the bend, he'll be able to see it better. And then he's got to go get the other boat that goes in my driveway after he drops me off. He said watch my props because they're only 10 inches off the ground, but they're like a foot and a half. So watch the truck over here. I think he's gonna come back, then straighten out. Looks like he's going the wrong way, but he knows what he's doing. He does this pretty good, even in the pitch black. It's pretty impressive, actually. Okay, so this is how we get going here. Jim is...
Well, I'm playing level.
Jim's got the stern. Jim's got the stern up on blocks that you can't see, and then these two stands in the back corners, and then these bunks are still raised up, holding the boat up. So now what he's doing, he's under the bow. He's going to put another bunch of cinder blocks and wood blocks down.
Trying to get level area.
After he's done bitching about my driveway.
Trying to make it level.
So he's making the driveway level. And then, because I just have millings down and I park crap on it all year, so they're messed up. So he's gonna put this down, and then he'll put blocks under there. See, I got the cinder blocks across the way. And then under the center of the boat, he's gonna put another bunch of blocks. And then we'll take the whole trailer and just drop it right down on top of the blocks. And then you move the trailer forward, get it out of the way. And then you take these two stands and put them, I don't know, somewhere around here. And then that holds the boat. So once he pulls away, I'll show you. But that's pretty much it. Oh, and then when he's gone, there's a tailgate on this. You know, so he can get past these blocks in the center. There's a tailgate that opens up on the trailer. So once he pulls away from all the blocks, we shut the tailgate, and then it's off to the next boat.
Yeah, both of them?
Yeah, both all the way. Hey, hold it. The one in your left hand will stick a little bit. The other one you're trying to scatter.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Go ahead. Just a real hit. Just hit.
That was releasing the air in the suspension to drop the trailer down. It's on the blocks right now. So now we're just getting the boat level. And he's going to put a stand under the corner here, and then we can pull the trailer forward. So you'll see in a minute.
Wow, these stands are oiled, nice.
Yes, they are.
I like that. Okay, let this arm down.
Is it the farthest, closest one to you or the other one?
Closest one to me. Hold it. Go ahead. Hold it. A little more. A little more. Hold it. A little more. A little more. Alright, a little more. Keep going. Let the air down on this side. All right.
That's good.